Okay.
Don't click casual.
Nope, nope, nope. We're okay, so we're live. We're good. We're good. We're good. Welcome everyone to our first ever Traders Only AMA poker night. You guys are able to ask me any questions you would like. I also have one of our one of our special guests here, Hermana, who's always in the chat. He's our main man over on Discord. He takes care of all the growth over there. So he can add, and he's a great trader, by the way, guys. He is out of this world. Great trader. So if you guys want to ask any questions, either to him or to myself, we'll be here and we're gonna play some poker, have some fun. I have my bubbly here. This is flavored carbonated water. Very, very delicious. No alcohol tonight, but maybe on the next one. Maybe on the next one. All right, so Armando, teach me how to play here, brother. Teach me how to play.
Well, you just go on join table.
You know what? I just want to make sure that they can hear you speak. Can you say a 1, 2, 3 real quick? I want to hear.
1, 2, 3.
All right, hold on, hold on. Yeah, perfect. They can hear you great. They can hear you great. Let me just turn the volume down here, and
Okay.
and I will hear you. Okay, great, awesome. So we're good. So let's go, Armando.
Good.
What's up, Zad?
Yeah.
He says good morning. He's over in Zad, where is it that you were at? I think you said you were in like oh man, I forget. You're far away. Can you remind us where you're at? Okay, so let's take it over. Take it over, Hermana. Join table.
Yeah. Join table.
Zad, if you want to play, head over to the Discord and jump into our poker night. Okay.
Well, it would be poker morning for him then. Hey.
Yeah, good morning, good morning. All right, so what do I do now?
Now I can start the game.
Okay.
And then we start playing.
Yeah, so if
The
anybody
thing
wants
is,
to jump into the game, I will put a link here to our Discord. You guys are more than welcome.
the thing is, because you're streaming it, everyone would see your cards, right?
Oh, okay. That's funny. Maybe I could put, you know what I can do? I can probably put like something over it, right? I can probably put something over
Yeah.
it. All right, let's play the first game and I'll figure it out.
Okay, so I start the game. I will make it fair and I click the stream. Put something on the stream. Just see what you- Okay, now we get the cards. You know how to play Texas Hold'em, right?
Somewhat. It's been a while.
What
Okay.
the hell just happened?
Yeah. You got to make the best hand out of 7 cards, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I don't know why. I don't know why they show the full pot now. I never played this one. So
Well, I can
don't
see
know.
your cards too. Am I supposed to be able to see your cards?
No, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, that doesn't seem too interesting.
But we both had full house, so I don't know what's going on here right now. Can't do it. Over or what?
All right, so we both have to start with 3,000. That's pretty cool.
I can't really do anything right now. Let me see. Yeah, nothing to. Can you click anything?
Um, no. Do you think we need to have more of what's that called? More nitros in order to be able to play?
No. I can't click it.
Hmm.
I don't know.
There we go.
That was the wrong. That was the wrong button.
Oh, but I think at least something. You got something working.
Well,
So we join the table again.
yeah,
Okay.
bot. Need a table. 1,000 settings. Good. Start with 5,000.
So if you guys are watching, you have any questions
Start
about
game.
trading? Any questions about how to get started trading? You guys go ahead and ask us while we're playing here. All right. That looks better.
Oh, there comes something.
All right, don't look
Yeah,
at my cards,
something
Armana.
Oh, right. I have to put something over that.
Don't look at my cards.
What do I do? I call, I guess. What? Guys raise already?
Oh, the bot raised?
Yeah,
Yikes.
bot raised. Must be an AI bot. Come on.
Yeah, man.
Okay, that works.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah. We have some some people were watching us. Yeah.
We had a few people before, and now I think we had down to 3, but I think we'll get some more.
Yeah.
If anybody wants to join and play, you guys can join. The only thing is you'll be able to see my hand. But maybe you can play against Armana. It doesn't really matter if I win or not. But you can play against Armana.
Can't you put something over that corner?
Then I won't be able to see it either. That's the only problem.
Oh.
Yeah. Let me see.
You have to play extra sneak. Yeah, I checked. I haven't played poker for.
Oh man, it's been forever for me.
Forever. But I was just watching psychology, he's a sports elite and poker and golf and day trader psychology.
Yeah, I have his book.
Steve Ward.
Yeah, I think he wrote a book of mindset, trader's mindset or trader psychology or something like that. I have it in my nightstand.
Yeah.
I'm reading it right now.
Yeah, I just watched a video from him, and yeah, he was saying that poker is apparently a really good training for day traders to learn patience.
Yeah, I bet.
Were you folding?
Yeah, I'm folding. What's up, Kid Poker? Oh, we have a Kid Poker here. Maybe he wants to join.
Kid Poker. Oh yeah.
Kid Poker, you're gonna use this. I hope you use a stop loss in Texas Hold'em. Oh, you came in second. Good for you, brother. Good for you.
Good
job. Made your money. Nice. All right, so are you playing against the bot here?
Yeah, apparently I play against bot. Call this stupid.
Yeah, I had nothing here.
Check it, guys.
Cool thing is they can all see my hand, so you can play along.
Can I chat? Is there not something that you can pull a chat off court? Yeah, out of.
Kid Poker's probably laughing at us.
Probably.
He's like, you guys are horrible.
Hey, Kid Poker, just jump on the Discord and yeah, join us.
Yeah, Discord link is in the pin chat, guys. If you guys want to come in. Okay.
Okay, now we get
Now we're getting there. We're getting there.
called
play. Kid Poker says he's only interested if it's real money.
No, that's just for fun. It's on Discord. It's a game.
Yeah,
It's just for fun. We're doing a little test, and
yeah.
maybe in a couple of weeks or something, we do another one, and
Yeah, we'll
maybe
do a
we
giveaway
even
or something for like
yeah.
we'll do a giveaway for maybe like a prop firm or something. We're just testing it out today. Wow. Now 2 pair.
It's amazing. I mean,
He
oh,
called. He's raising, huh?
is he bluffing you out there?
I don't know. We'll see.
What does he have?
I beat him.
Doesn't have it? Holy cow!
I took his money.
That's a sneaky
I
bot,
took
eh?
his money.
Sneaky
Oh, you've been using
bot.
your stop. Okay, Kid Poker's been using his stop now. That's good, brother. No more letting losers run. Absolutely, dude. That's the first step, man. It's just accepting those outs, man, for sure.
That's really good. Yeah. Let the winners run, not the losers.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a pretty bad flop. We'll see. Kid Poker's got a playlist one of these days, man. Sometimes you gotta know when to fold them. Wow, I should have held it a little longer. You done?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kid Poker, I don't know what I'm doing, buddy. Maybe you can give me some pointers. Yeah, I had nothing. I had a pair of aces. That's it. But I mean, I didn't see the ace until after the 4th card. Oh, the bot's still up, huh?
Bot is up now. Yeah.
Yeah, before the
Money.
before the flop. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Yep. See if we got something better. The pot's $90, huh? Yeah, I know, dude. Maybe you can coach me here on the chat. Let's see. Maybe we got something.
Oh no! Now you're getting help here.
Yeah, I got my because they can see my cards, man. So I'm
Holy
not.
hell.
I'm not a good card player. I'm not a good card player at all. So we'll see. Oh, well, he's calling again. We're up to $205, huh? It's getting
No, that was
interesting
me.
now.
I put more in there.
Yikes. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know what you mean, but that's beyond my pay grade. This bot is pretty good.
Yeah, the bot is killing us. Oh, Kid Poker tells you to fold.
Yeah, I should probably. Yeah. I got nothing here. Got a pair of Nieners.
Better.
I got a pair of Nieners. That's not good.
Doubling up.
Oh, you're going in heavy with this guy here.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, nice. Nice.
Taking
Good
money.
job. You took his dollars. Good job, brother.
Oh, hard.
He folded?
No, he raised it.
Oh, he raised it?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
It's getting kind of interesting. Everyone folded on that. Is that what happened?
Looks like it. Looks like it.
This could be all right. Dealer got that one, huh? Dealer got that one. Oh, I could see how it could get pretty exciting here because if you get a flush, you can get a flush. You really got to wait for that last card sometimes, and it can get pretty crazy. Emotions can get pretty crazy.
You bet 1,200?
Maybe.
Ah!
I just won 15 bucks.
You $15.
I
There you
should
go.
have won in small increments. I should have won in like $10. That's hilarious. Well, I had a flush, so that was nice.
Oh,
The bot said that was too rich for him. I should have went like $20 increments. I'm not the best poker player. I should have kind of chilled a little bit.
put $50. Too much for the bot.
Hmm.
On the back.
Oh, nice. Good job, brother. Nice hit.
Me?
Let's see if you're cleaning the table out.
Can't get into Discord?
Oh no, open-ended STR.
Come.
You can't get in. Oh, you need to do the verification first. You've never been in Discord before. Kid Poker. No. Are you trying to get into ours and you can't get into ours because you're doing a verification first? Armand, is there anything special he has to do in order to gain access to Discord? He has to do the verification, right? That you're not a bot.
Well, he just has to follow what they tell him.
Yeah, just follow the instructions. They're pretty easy, unless something's happening that is not allowing you to get in. He says that verification doesn't work.
There's nothing on our side to do. That's that's on Discord's side. Nothing we can change or anything.
Man, why don't you guys bet more, man? Bet some more. All right, I think Kid Poker is in. Kid Poker, all you got to do is go down to the bottom, brother. Go down to the bottom.
No,
And I'm going to share the link here. I think the invite. You can click on the invite. Go
Oh,
down
the
to where it
invite is
says...
The invite is in the main chat.
Yeah, it's in the main chat where it says announcements, but you can also scroll down to where it says let's talk and click on games.
I don't see him on Discord.
Yeah, I just posted the link for you so you can get directly into the game.
You're raising. Did you hit one of those 5s?
Kid Poker, if you scroll down, you'll see where it says let's talk. You'll see that.
No, he's not. He's not on Discord yet.
Oh, he's not on Discord
He's
yet?
not on
Okay.
no, you don't see him in the welcome chat. You don't know how to play.
Me? Absolutely not.
I don't think you have anything.
Kid Poker said it's not working. Did you try the link I just posted for you right here in the chat? It'll take you right into the game itself. Oh my god.
That
You got
full
me.
house.
You got a full house, huh? Nice one, nice one. It still wants verification, he said. Well, what are you not able to verify? What verification is it giving you a hard time with? Oh, the stupid matching puzzle thing? You can't do that? He said it's locked. I'm not sure what he means by that. Are you saying the game is locked, buddy, or are you saying? I think he's saying that the Discord's probably locked.
No, the puzzle might be locked.
The puzzle might be locked, right?
If he did it 3 times and messed it, then he has to wait a certain time. Then he has to wait a certain time to redo it. You have to redo everything. So I win.
Nice. What did you have?
King pair.
Oh wow, yeah, better than me.
add another bot.
Make it interesting.
Interesting. I mean, we have four people watching now. Maybe someone else want to join
Maybe someone
up
else wants to
with
jump
us?
in. Yeah, if you guys want to play with us. Oof, that was a hard drop. 3. I get the big jackpots, man. The big ones. I get the big ones only. I gotta lure you guys in to put more money in the pot. I think I'm gonna do that now. Whether I have a good hand or not, I'm still gonna lure you guys in.
Oh yeah. The bot was really aggressive. Now he
Now
doesn't
he's
play
barely
anymore.
playing.
It's a new bot too. Different bot.
Told you I was gonna go aggressive either way.
$60. Wow, okay, I call that. Probably have a queen, eh?
The only way to know, you gotta look at YouTube.
Oh, you have 2 pairs. You have 2 pairs. No way.
KKKZW's VPN was blocking it. I think he's gonna be able to get in now.
Oh, the VP.
I hope you can get in, brother. Are you folded already? Wow.
He folded, yeah, the new bot. Chicken.
Yeah.
Holy cow, look at this. That was the flush right there.
Mm-hmm. Not anymore.
$75. You don't have. You
King high.
try to scare the poop out of me here.
King high.
Pair of 9s.
Yeah, hopefully you can get in here, Kid Poker. It'd be fun to have someone else that's not a bot.
He folds all the time, that bot.
Yeah. If you guys want to play with us, feel free. The link is in the chat here.
I have less than nothing. $5.
Look at that. That's big money. Big bucks.
Big money, you got $5.
Yes, sir. Let's see if we can. We gotta get one of these jackpots, man.
Oh, the bot is playing.
Oh, wow.
Holy
Oh,
cow.
that's not bad.
Nope. Too much for me.
What's up, Rocket? Is my screen delayed? I don't think so. I don't think so, brother. You want to play with us, Rocket? Jump in. The link is in the chat here. Oh, we finished that one? Did I win?
You win, yeah.
Oh.
$15 you won.
Nice, man. I'm only getting those big payouts. Only the big ones.
Yeah. Gigantic.
No, I got ultra low latency, so my screen shouldn't be delayed.
I guess you could delay your stream then. No one can see what you have.
Yeah, no, but that's cool. Yeah, yeah, but Arman is promising he's not looking at the stream. He's promising.
I put something over it. I can't see a stream. Only can see the chat.
Do you play poker, Armana? In real life? Or did you used to play?
I used to, yeah. I used to play real money poker.
Kid Poker's gonna go practice the guitar instead, brother. Well, thank you for trying, man. Maybe you could join us next time.
Hit me up one of those days, and then we look that we get you on the Discord.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you for trying, brother. Enjoy your weekend, man.
I think we'll add a bot after this round. Oh, there. Pine Tree Trader just joined the Discord. Welcome to the Discord.
Yeah, maybe he'll play with us. Pine Tree Trader, jump in the game.
Pine Tree, yeah. Just go into rules and roles. Pick your role. Read the roles, and then in main chat you should see everything.
Yeah, just don't look at my cards if you're playing.
I bet some. I bet. Fuck. Yeah, now Pine Tree, just go right in the main chat. You see the join the poker, and then you're right at it. Did you guys fold it? I had a streak.
Yeah. You weren't gonna get any money out of me in this one. I didn't have much. There
There
he
you
is. There he is.
There he is. Pine Tree Trader. I like pine. That's what we had for a Christmas tree.
Pine tree?
Yeah, we had a pine this year.
Nice.
My daughter picks the tree out of the forest, like our own forest, right?
Mm-hmm.
Was outside and said usually we go out with the axe or something. No, we never have the axe. We always have a live tree, like dig them in a pot and all that kind of stuff.
You don't
My daughter.
you don't use a chainsaw?
No, I just pull it out of the dirt or dig it up, and then we have put it in. We have always small trees.
Oh, gotcha.
Because I have a little house. Laughter's online.
Laughter's here? What's
There
up,
you go.
Laughter?
Laughter, jump
Oh,
on the Discord. And
I think Kid Poker might have jumped off, man, but I didn't know Kid Poker was a guitar player. What's going on, Laughter? Thank you for jumping on for a few, bud. I know everybody's got a life and everyone's chilling right now with their families, but just trying to have a good time here. See if anybody wants to lose some digital dollars here. In the future, next time we do this, we'll do like a giveaway with the games.
now we know how it works. Now
Yeah.
we will something internal Discord thing. Pine Tree, you are muted if you want to talk.
Can he play?
You.
Is he able to play?
Yeah, he just has to click on the join button and then he can play.
All right, there you go, Pine Tree. Just click on the join button if you want to play.
I'm calling. That bot got spooked off it. Okay, you want to take my money. Nope. Pine decided us.
Oh yeah, he doesn't. He can't play. Maybe he's having a hard time with the settings.
There's no sitting.
What I win that time? $60. How much was the pot then?
The pot?
Yeah.
Something around 150 or something.
Wow, I'm breaking the bank. $225.
25. Took my money. I'm taking it back. Put a new invite in the... Holy cow, I called it. I should have. Take it. They're the same price, you don't have anything.
$800, bud. $800 on the table.
I'm raising this.
Oh my God, bro! Are you serious?
Oh, yeah,
It's
I'm
about to get
taking
really
the money
spicy.
out.
It's about to get really spicy. It's about to get spicy, man.
Oh, you raised again. Holy cow. I call it. And then let's see. Let's see who wins. Who wins that? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, you have a full house. I don't believe this. Oh, no.
Laughter. I have no idea how to play poker, brother. This is just something we set up on Discord for a community building event. So if you wanna join on and grab a couple hands with us, that'll be cool. No, I don't know how to play poker, man. I'm more of like I used to play spades when I was a kid. Play dominoes. I played poker on occasion.
You took all my money. Look at it. You took all my money.
That bot is just here to pass the time. I don't know what that bot is doing.
Ah, this filling over.
Oh, you like craps, Laughter? Nice, brother. Just play roulette, and when I go to Vegas, I played roulette. And blackjack. Blackjack is my game. We should play blackjack one night, man. Blackjack is fun. We should do blackjack.
I don't know if they have blackjack.
No?
I will find out.
What does call any mean?
That you call anything.
Oh. Poker has a lot in common with trading, I heard. Yeah, I'm reading a book by an author who said that it's very similar.
Jesus. You want to know it.
1900 on the table, bud. 1900.
Oh! You got it. Oh my
Yikes.
God. I was so good in the beginning.
Yeah, I might be giving it back though, so I'm not getting too cocky.
Oh, we just got a new member. Double Diamond Aces is joining the Discord.
Sounds like another poker player, man. Maybe we can get him to join us here.
Yeah. Hey, Double, you just have to go into rules and roles, pick your role, read the rules. Would be nice. I was sitting hours for. I'm down to 350? Holy cow.
Let's see.
Yeah, just pick your role. You want a loker or you want to be a member. It's both the same rules. Just had to. I don't.
Yeah, you win some, you lose some. That's correct, Laughter. How about we throw on some Boney James or Rudkin? So I could lose all my money. Rudkin loves when he put on Boney James for him.
The guy has a straight.
Yeah, he didn't play that too well.
Oh, W on
What's that?
On your phone. Double aces is on his phone.
Oh, he's on his phone? He can't do it on his phone, huh?
I can. There you go, double. I give you. Now you can head to the main chat and join the game if you want.
There you go. Come on. Come on. Rutgers says we could throw on the Boney James since he's not in a long right now. We can keep it. We can throw it on. Let's throw on some Boney James for Storm and Rutgers, who's not here. Yeah, I know. Come on, girl. You wanna come up here? Come on. Good girl. All right. Oh, it's getting serious now. We got the music on, Luna. We're about to take all Hermana's money.
Feel that.
You take that one, buddy. Take care, Laughter. Yeah, that's really cool, man. You gotta tell us more about that.
Double aces in the house.
We got a player.
How do I join playing this?
In the main chat, you see in the main chat room, you just click on join and you in the game.
Click right above our names where it says games, poker night. Click on that.
You might have to download the game first.
Which game is it?
Called Poker Night. You just have to click on join, or here in the chat should be a button, but in the main chat, if you go in there, there is
Direct link.
a direct link. You just click on join and then everything should work by itself.
I think I can put it in the chat here. I think there's a chat here. Yeah, there's a chat here. You might be able to see it. I'm gonna post it in there right now.
All right.
Let me see.
Yeah, the Discord version of an iPad or from a pad or something. Not the best. But my wife joined earlier, so.
I don't know if you can see the chat here. Maybe he can't see the chat, but I'll message him directly too.
It's telling me I don't have any permissions to use this activities in this channel. Failed to launch activity. Maybe it's a 2-person game.
No. We'll figure it out right now.
So what?
He's not able to use the activity, he said. He doesn't have permission.
Has permission?
Maybe it's because he's a lurker? You think that's why?
No. No, he's a member now.
I just sent you a message, direct message, double aces. See if you can click on that link on that direct message I just sent you.
Talking about it. I got something.
Did you send me the message already?
Yeah, it should be in your direct messages. Maybe you have to accept my friend invite first.
Okay, I got it. Let's see. Still saying the same thing. I don't.
Really?
Yeah, let me set.
All right, Armand, give it a second. Armand is checking on it.
No. He has all the roles. It's all good from our side. No, he should be able just to join the game.
What is it saying on your end, double aces?
Still no activity. You do not have any permissions to use the activities in this channel. Yes.
Okay, let me double check.
Hold on.
Shit.
Is there any like settings to like allow new people to come in? Maybe that's like.
No. Over.
Has anyone else been able to come in, or it's just been you two?
I think it's I think that's why
Try now. Try it now.
Okay.
I'm trying to. Yeah, I think maybe that's why the last guy, Pine Tree, maybe that's why he left. Maybe he couldn't get on either.
Oh, same. Yeah, same thing.
Yeah, maybe because he didn't have his microphone on, so we couldn't communicate with him.
Okay.
Same. It still says it, or?
Yeah, still saying I'm clicking on. Let me back out. Maybe send a new link. Maybe.
You think it's because he's on his cell phone? No, right?
Yeah, I'm on my cell phone. You think that might be the problem?
I don't know. Romana should know about that. Hold on.
No. It might be that you have to go out and get back in. Just try it one more time. There you go.
Oh, it's on? Okay.
I don't see you in this game. I don't know where you are. Oh yeah, there you are. I see you on the top left. So you just have to click join.
Okay, let's see. Join.
Join the table. And then you should be in it.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
We got $5,000 more liquidity. More liquidity just joined.
$5,000 more liquidity.
Yeah, that bot folded already.
Hey, Sophia.
With a name like Double Aces, you probably know what you're doing, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. I play a little bit.
Oh, cool, man. No, we don't. We're just trying to have some fun here. Armand is a player. I'm just
I used to. It's been a long time that I played. It's been forever.
Do you trade too, double aces?
Yeah, I trade a little bit.
Nice, man. You sound very modest. I'm picking that up about you.
Now, to be honest with you, I really just started trading this year.
This year,
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I started trading full time this year, so we're in the same boat. I started 4 years ago, but with crypto initially, and then switched over to futures 2 years ago, and went full time this year.
Been trading options pretty much all year, but I tell you, man, it's like I've been in a couple discords, and like I used to get on YouTube and learn charts and try to learn charts like a few years ago,
Yeah,
and something wasn't registering, to me, and it wasn't until I got like hands on with my buddy. I didn't know he was. I had met him like in 2020, and he was a trader. Let's see, and those diamonds somebody got to have a flush. Um, one, two. What you had, man?
I had a flush.
Good. I had two pair of Jack and Tens.
Yeah, I had the flush. I don't think it was much though. I don't think I won much on that. What I win, $15? Oh no, that was 165.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's almost like he told me he was trading. He was more in like forex. He had me download Trading View, and he was like showing me because I had learned a little bit just on my own, but I wasn't understanding. Like, how like if you get like a certain YouTubers, right?
yeah,
You just want to focus on support and resistance, and they're talking about reversals and the same basic um tutorial. It's like, dude, I just want support and resistance only.
yeah,
Because I'm the type to get detail by detail and just go, train that way
yeah,
instead of trying to learn five things. Dude was talking about reversals and like, um, I forgot what he wouldn't. This was not a beginner's support and resistance, as he said on the title.
yeah,
So I kind of left trading alone. I just did like long term stuff or whatever. So 2020, my buddy, he's like, yeah, man, I know the charts and stuff. So he started showing me moving averages and stuff like that. And
hmm,
then he was like, so when me and him started talking, I was telling him the little I know. He's like, wow, all I got to do is give you some keys, and it's like you ready for this. So I was like, I think so. And it's almost like in these past 6 months since I've been trading options, um, it's like everything's been amplified. My trading, my teaching, and I'm not saying I'm the best and nothing like that, but it's like you got some people that can get it fast
yeah,
and when they get the right teacher and all that, but you got some people they're not meant to be traders. And I know this game, man. Like, it's crazy how 6 months could get you, and you still have a lot to learn. I'm humble that way, but it's like I know it, even if I don't have like the millions of dollars to show for it.
yeah,
I know these charts and I see it I see the patterns, I see the charts, I see the, you know, cycles and all of that. It's a lot more to learn though. But it's like when you become a trader where even if you lose in sometimes, like the charts, that's better than I don't know. To me, that's like the best thing to have. Like if you know it,
yeah.
yeah,
What do
you
you
will
like to
never,
trade? Is it
will never
are you
stop
trading
learning.
the indices, or are you trading stocks, individual?
I'm doing ETF like options, like SPY, and
Okay,
I trade in video and just whatever's hot.
okay.
Um,
Whatever's got volume. What's your big home run this year?
I hit 8K.
No, what did you trade? Did you trade like an Nvidia call or a Tesla call or
Actually,
Qs?
actually, it was to be honest, it was Zom.
Really? The
Because
oil,
what
the
happened
oil
was
stock?
like they was, huh? Yeah, the oil. Yeah. What happened was I saw I saw them um trying to push and get rejected a lot.
Yeah.
They were trying to push and get rejected at a certain support. I mean resistance. But every time it came down to support, I just bought another call,
Mm-hmm.
and I was hitting them every time because I was like,
It was trending, huh?
eventually, yeah, it was trending, but it was like eventually it was gonna push through that top, and when it did, it just like hit. Zom hit for like $4, and Zom don't even move like that.
Well, it ran, huh?
So yeah, so my like 10, I think I had like 15 calls.
We have a question there and
Yeah.
the stream.
Mr. Premium of the option wants to know: are you buying options or selling options? Do you do both?
I'm just buying.
You're buying.
Yeah, just buying.
Okay.
That's another part I got to learn is how to do all the other parts of the options. Right now, I'm just focused on making money with this, and then I'll get to all of the covered calls and the debit spreads and all of that. I got to learn more about the options game,
Yeah.
but I actually want to just get into futures. To be honest with you,
Yeah. Yeah. That's what we trade
tired of
here
that,
on this channel. Mostly is futures.
tired of the theta, the
The theta
decay,
decay.
the contract just wearing down, and I know the manipulators. Um, that's what they do.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they love playing the game. Yeah,
Like
I don't know anything about options. Never touched them, never did. Like I'm an old forex
you're a straight
trader.
futures guy, huh?
Well, I used to trade a lot of forex, and then I switched to futures.
So on futures, I had a guy. He wasn't technically training me, but he was like had a Zoom and he was going over things that he was talking about the ticks and like you can have um certain like certain risk per tick. It was something like 20. It was like 25 you trade, and I might not have none of the information correct here,
Mm-hmm.
but he was saying like what he was particularly trading, it was like $25 a tick or $50 a tick or something like that.
Yeah.
Well, it depends how many contracts you trade, right? Like if you go with micros, you do one Nasdaq micro, it's 50 cent. If
Hermana,
you
could you get a
go,
little closer to your microphone?
oh yeah, is that better?
Yeah, that's better.
Sorry. Yeah, if you trade futures like Nasdaq, there's a micro is like 50 cents a tick. If you
Oh,
go a
50 cents.
mini, yeah, if you go one mini, that's $5 a tick. And then when you take like two mini micros, then you're $1, right? Because
Okay.
each contract is 50 cents.
So
So
you can
yeah,
choose how many contracts you want, right? If
oh yeah,
you got money to support it. Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, you can choose how many you want. You can, yeah, and then you should work like Kid Poker used to trade without a stop loss. Now he learned to use a stop loss. And yeah, you should have a stop loss because it can go against you. So you want
Oh
to
yeah.
stop before, right? So that's your
Like in
stop.
options, I don't do a manual stop loss because I like it to sometime it'll, stop hunt you or whatever. But in futures I would definitely use a stop loss.
Oh, if you can get torn, your face could get torn off without a stop loss.
I, I know.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
So do you guys stop out on you ever heard of Oliver Velez,
I have not.
the trader? Really? Okay.
Oliver Velez, have you heard of
He
him,
teaches
Hermana?
No, I have never.
well that's very interesting because he's been like I mean everybody's not hearing everybody, but he he was like one of the first guys I started watching on YouTube, and he's good at like his system is basically a very advanced teaching system for a basic system, if that makes any sense. It's like um so like he was pretty much saying like if you get an elephant bar, he called it elephant bars, which means a boom boom bar, massive bars, whether it's bearish or bullish.
Yeah.
If that's the reason you got into that candle, that candles get if that candles get wiped out, he has a certain stop loss on. He like to take stop losses after candles get taken out.
Mm-hmm.
Um, if certain candles get taken out, the candle that you got in, the reason you got in, if that candle gets taken out, he has a he has many other strategies, but like certain stop outs, it's like whether I know futures might do just money stop out per week. Like you want to say, okay, 20. I don't know how you guys stop out in futures. I'm sure it's like monetary stop outs versus chart pattern stop outs.
Yeah. Everybody's got different style for the stop outs. Some people use the average true range multiplied by 1.5, 2, 2.5, depending on how volatile the day is. Some other people look for swing lows or swing highs to put their stop losses. And then some people just eyeball it and just let it run. And if it goes against them, they stop out manually. So everybody's different. I tend to trade with an ATM. That's a bracket order. So I have a fixed loss no matter where I enter on the trade. And then I move around with my take profit depending on how well the move is moving. So everyone's different.
You ever heard of they call it fractal. You ever heard of a fractal?
Yeah, fractals. Yeah, of course. They patterns that repeat on any time frame.
Yeah. And I know one of my guys, he's very big on stopping out at a certain fractal. And maybe we got the definition of fractals different. I don't know.
Yeah.
But like let's say you got the very bottom of a range. Like the very let's say we in this new trend, right?
Yeah.
But and it goes down, price is going down, and now the very bottom of that new trend, that new structure, that would be a fractal. So like if you get a 5 minute candle and it wicks and it bottoms out, like really bottoms out, the two candles to the left and the two candles to the right, it's above that candle. They call that a fractal, the bottom. And
Yeah.
so like a lot of people like to stop out right where fractals are because that it changes like the structure of it.
Yeah.
Once it breaks that fractal and creates a new low, basically a new low.
Yeah, so I think what he means is that when he sees certain patterns that repeat at lows and patterns that repeat at like highs, where market tends to reverse, what he's seeing is that the liquidity was swept, and that area has been played already, and people who were going short are trapped, or going long are trapped, and then that's where he puts his stop loss. I think that's what you're referring to. But those are great areas to trade because the volume kicks in, and whenever you see volume kicking in, usually it runs in the opposite direction pretty quickly when you see volume kicking in.
I gotta add my volume bars back on my chart because it's like I know volume is king in trading.
Oh yeah, volume is everything.
have
We trade
14
off volume
people
all the
watching.
time. You gotta
I do
look into
I do the volume profile.
Yeah.
I do have one part of the volume.
Yeah, check out our stream one of these days. If you want, on our channel, we do have indicators that we use for volume. We've done videos on them, like tutorial videos. Here on our, if you go to our Discord, here on our Discord where you see indicators, the videos are there, and the links to get the indicators are also there. So the videos on how to use them and the
I'm gonna
indicators
check you guys
themselves.
out, man.
It's under
Check you
indicators.
guys
Yeah,
out.
you'll love that.
Are y'all guys doing Zooms for futures or anything? Do
Oh,
y'all, you know,
yeah, I trade live every morning, Monday through Friday, from about 9 to most days around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, depending on more recently to like 1 o'clock. I'll hit the gym and then I'll come back for power hour around 3 to 4 Eastern. So if you
What
ever
do you
want to
guys
jump on the
trade
stream and watch
at?
us play, watch us trade.
What do you guys trade futures at?
What do you mean as far as which broker do we use or?
Yeah.
Well, we're all pretty much everyone, with the exception of a few of us, pretty much all of us are trading with prop firms. It's just a better leverage on your money. And I'm not to the point yet where I feel comfortable going back to my own funds. I used to trade my own funds, but I lost 2 live accounts trading my own live cash. So I feel like I can trade a lot more right now while I'm still getting better at my craft with prop firms. So I'm using TopStep, Tradeify, Buellnox, and I think that's it for the moment. I think that's the ones I'm using.
You passed all the challenges, huh? Wow.
What's that?
So I might be opening Pandora's box because I was talking to my guy today, and we've been trading our own money. We was like, we got to get into prop firms and see what what's the what, and like everybody's talking about it, and I was like, well, some of them are like kind of janky,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm like, I don't know where to go, so I need to talk to somebody about get some more details on it. And then here you guys go.
That's funny. Yeah, so since you're in our Discord now, you could also check out the other channel that we have in here that says, I think it says deals, or let me see what it says for the resources. I think it's under resources. Let me see. No, it's not resources. Hold on. You can get all the referrals. My referrals? Yeah, my referrals. So under my referrals, you'll see all the coupon codes for all the prop firms. So you guys can get like anywhere between 30 to 90% off the prop firms. And we only affiliate with the ones that are not janky, the ones that have been proven, been around for a while, and have proven track records that they pay out.
Like is Tradeivate a prop firm or just a futures broker, right?
Tradeivate is a broker, and they're a platform that you can trade on. So you got to use your own cash, but you do use Tradeivate with prop firms. So if you like Tradeivate, if you used it before and you're comfortable with it, pretty much all of the major ones, all the ones that are legitimate, they trade with Tradeivate.
So let me see.
There's
I'm not
one
getting
more.
any hands. Are you guys like in charge of passing out hands here, or what?
You're not getting anything good, huh?
Nothing. I had one good hand.
The bot's been at 4,800 like for the last hour.
Oh, there's a bot there. I didn't even realize.
Yeah, the little teddy bear's a bot. Armand is trading his live cash. Armand is a savage, man. He makes bank.
Oh yeah, okay. I gotta get some training though. It's like, what is the prop firm that you guys recommend?
Well, it depends. If you're just getting started right now, I would say that you're just starting off. I would say TopStep is not a bad option. I would say TopStep, maybe Apex has got way too many rules. I would say TopStep or Tradeify. I would say either TopStep or Tradeify. Both of them are great. There's slightly different rules, but both of them are good for beginners.
Trade Day. Like I must say, I'm really happy with Trade Day.
Oh, Trade Day, yeah. He likes Rana likes Trade Day. I gotta get an account with Trade Day too.
You have to get an account.
So you really like it, huh?
I really like it. They have, for me, when you're on a live with them, there is no rules then that you have the end of day, that you have to close all your trades by the end of the day, and certain news, they call it tier 1 news, that you can't trade 2 minutes and 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, but you can take a daily payout, like a minimum of $250, and you can daily pay out. There's no rules, no consistency rules, no nothing. You can take your money, and that's your money.
So you're saying they make you close out all your trades the same day, end of the day?
End of the day, you
because
have to
of the risk, because of the risk after hours, right?
Yeah, because there can be jumps in futures. They can be big when you have that 1 or 2 hours what the market is closed, and you have a trade open between that, and you come back, you can lose so much money, right?
Yeah.
So they just make those rules. The same as with news trading. There's certain news they don't want you to trade, and so you have to
What you
know.
mean? They don't want you trading off news?
Like FOMC, when FOMC meeting is, and the FOMC
Like you can't trade on that whole day?
No. Just
no,
just a few minutes
two
before.
2 minutes before the news come and 2 minutes after.
See, this is like important information, man.
Yeah,
This is gold.
and yeah, to you have an eval first. You have an evaluation with all the prop firms usually. Trade
Yeah.
day is one of the longest. You have to show them 7 days how to trade, and you have to show them only in the eval is like you have to have a 30% consistency rule is there. That's just in the eval. So they want to see that you trade properly, right? For 7 days.
That
And then
means stopping out on time. Like, oh, they just want to see that you like. They want to see you profitable though. But
well,
like,
they don't want, yeah, for sure. You have to be profitable. You have, let's say you have a $50,000 prop firm account. That means you have to reach a profit over 7 days, or you can take 30 days. Doesn't matter how long it takes, but a minimum of 7 days. And you have to have a profit of 2,500 bucks.
within those 7 days or 30 days, you gotta have 2,500.
Minimum of 7 days, yeah, 25. And then when you pass the eval, then you're going onto a sim. It calls a sim live account. So you're on a sim account. You trade um, until you reach 5,000 bucks. That's real money you can take out actually.
Yeah.
But after you reach 5,000 bucks, they put you on a live account. It means you're actually trading their money.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the max leverage you can use? Not leverage. The
It
max
depends
position.
on Well, it depends on what kind of account
The size account.
Like,
size.
let's say you got a 50,000 account with them, right?
Then
What
you have
things you can like?
a 50,000.
So they will allow you put 50,000 in a trade.
So
That's
a
100%.
50,000. No, a 50,000 just means that you have a $50,000 account. I don't know. You don't have 50,000. It's just
Yeah, I know.
practical, right? But
It's called considered
on a,
buying power, but you really have to look at your drawdown amount is the size of the account.
so on a 50,000, you would be allowed 5 minis or 50 micros. So
Okay. How much?
five minis would be $25 a tick. So when it moves
25.
one tick up, you make 25. When it moves one tick down, you lose 20.
Are you able to lose on one of them eval?
They have a maximum drawdown, and that would be 2,000.
Okay.
So
But you try to stay within, like, when you passed yours, you just kind of like you stopped out fast, or you made your money, right?
and usually all the other prop firms have similar rules. There's some they have then consistency rules for payouts. They have consistent um, like every prop firm has their own kind of.
So you're saying somehow all my smooth get a vacuum. So
But I'm like new to prop firms as well. I just passed the prop
It
firm
seems like
account.
a lot of information I have to like acquire to just like wrap around my brain or whatever. Like,
Oh, there's no problem. We are here for you. If you have any questions anytime, Discord is extra here for helping. Not only helping into getting something like the
so I guess if you could break down, and sorry to ask you questions,
oh
you
no
can
problem.
break down the mic. Let's go with the micro.
Yeah,
You said 20 micros, right? Or
50 micros.
50 micro.
Yeah.
Um, how much money would 50 micros be? Like
Well, 50 micros is equal to 5 minis, right?
5 minutes.
Because one
Minutes.
micro is 50 cents.
1 micro, 50 cents.
But it can go fast, right? Even with like I traded 2 micros on Friday and I made $1,500 micro in in 4 trades.
All right, let's. All right, so the micros, and you saying that's only 50 cent per tick, but you made.
If anybody wants to join the poker game, the link is pinned in the chat. You guys can come and join the poker game on Discord. Go ahead, brother.
So I'm still kind of lost on the micros and minis, and I get it
What?
that it's like a certain amount per tick, but
Yeah.
how could you 1,500 off 50 cent ticks?
Well, I
Did it
used
go up
two micros. With 2 micros, so a tick was $1.
$1 per tick? So it just ran up like
Well, we had a move over 150 points. What is 1 point is 4 ticks.
1 point,
So
1.4 ticks. Okay,
yeah. So when you have a run up with 100 points, that's 400 ticks. So
400 ticks.
that's when you use 2 micros, that's 200, that's $400.
Wow.
Yeah, and when you run multiple the trades a day, right? You're not doing just one trade. You're not
No.
setting your thing in and go and come back when it's. You have multiple trades. You have 50 ticks here, 70 ticks there, and so on. And then you make money or you lose.
Where you like let's say you got the micros, and then like if the price is going the opposite way of your I guess they call it long or whatever. Um, you're long in a position and it's going the other way. Where are you stopping out at? You trying to get out $100, 200
Oh, it
for
always
it?
depends. It depends what I trade, how
Because
my
we don't want
position.
that drawdown too much, right? With the prop firms, right?
Oh yeah, but I mean you when you trade futures, forex, you have to learn that you lose. Trading is not, you can't win every trade.
Yeah.
You will lose, and you have to, that's one big thing with you have to learn how to lose. That's one of the biggest things in trading.
But yeah, at the same time, it's like they don't want you to lose though. Not too much money. They want you to stop out pretty early, right?
Well, they kind of give it to you how far you can, like that you stop out as from them like $2,000. If you hit $2,000 loss, you have to restart. So they
You
give,
have to buy a new one, yeah.
so you have to set yourself how much you're risking, right? When you have $2,000 drawdown and you say you want to risk about 1 to 2% of your account, getting I'm losing my pants here. Um, if you have practical with a $50,000 account, you don't have 50,000, 2,000. That's your drawdown. First 2,000, then the game. So you don't want to risk too much. So if you risk like 20 bucks, 50 bucks each trade you do, then you're pretty good in the risk ratio. So that's you have to learn how much you want to risk and how much you make. If you like with a 50,000, I set myself like $200 a day loss limit.
Okay.
So more money you have, some more you can add to it. If you have a $10,000 account, $10,000, then you can risk money.
$9,000 on the table, guys.
Holy cow, that freaking bot! How did you guys got that bot? He has 3 twos. He
Wow.
ripped you guys up.
He rocked me. I had two pair. The bot rocked me.
Holy cow.
Oh wow.
So I know it was a different rule. Somebody was talking about this on a video. They were saying how, you know how if you can have $2,000 max loss limit, but if you made money, like on certain platforms, like let's say you made $5,000 in profit,
Yep.
past the 50,000 or whatever.
Yep.
If you lose 2,000 from that, they
No.
will, yeah. Some
No.
platforms have done that.
Yeah, some platform has a trade day is when you reach the 5,000 mark. Let's say you 5,000 above, then
Yeah.
you have $5,000. You trade with you 5,000. That's how trade day. So they want that you trade your own money. They give you an account, you trade your own money. When you take money off, then when you take money out of this account, let's say you have $50,000 account, you made
Won't let me.
$5,000. You made $5,000, so you have $55,000 account now, right? You
Yeah.
have $5,000 in, you take $1,000 out, then you have $4,000 to play with.
Okay.
And for every $2,000 in your account, you get one mini extra, one mini or 10 micros. So let's say you take that $50,000 account and you have 54,000 in that account, then sorry about my kids, then you have you can trade with 7 minis or 70 micros.
Man, you seem to have learned this stuff pretty fast. You just joined.
No, I'm with them. I'm German, so I went in and really looked at all the prop firms there are, and I went really hard because prop firms was really new for me,
Oh,
like
okay.
a year ago. So now I looked really deep into it, and then with the help from Smooth once in a while.
And who am I speaking with? This is
You
Herman.
yeah, to Hermana.
Herman. Okay. And Lou Smooth Trader, do you trade the same platform?
Well, I've never traded with Trade Day, but I have traded with several other ones that I mentioned before, and there's a handful of prop firms that you'll be very happy with. They all have similar rules, but really what you got to concentrate on in the beginning is not so much about which one is the best, but your trading strategy and your trading style, and not over trade and not use too much size. Like you want to go in, you just want to trade micros in the beginning just to get your footing. And then once you really start to get good at your craft and you build a big enough buffer, then you can move into maybe trading more micros or maybe get into the mini size contracts, and then worry about making more money after you've crafted your style. It's really the hardest thing is getting your rhythm, because anybody can have a good day. Anybody
Oh
can
yeah.
have a good day, but it's how you take your losses that really matter. Because your losses are
Like
easily can be 2 3 times bigger than than a winning day.
Yeah.
if you haven't traded futures anything like before, I would recommend you just take trading view.
Yeah. Paper
Just
trade.
do a paper trade. Do that for a week or two, and if you think you can do it, then take one of those. Like Apex is pretty. It's one of the cheapest packs.
Yeah, and pretty
So
simple too.
Yeah,
on trading
Apex.
view, on trading view on the like they will be actually trading by the futures rules if you're just doing trading view only. Like if you was to say Nasdaq, because I noticed like you can just buy a it's kind of different. Like you're actually buying like when you go to Nasdaq and you go to trading view,
Yeah.
and you click on the buy order, they're
Hmm.
actually buying a whole Nasdaq position. Like what is it?
Uh, it depends, but
19.
you have to take the right thing. You if you trade, yeah, I know what you mean. You have to go and pick the right contract, and then it's not.
I'm definitely gonna look into that. So if I can paper trade futures now, actually, I can trade. I can actually do it on Webull instead of Trading View. Like they have paper trading
Yeah,
futures
you
on
can
there.
do it on Webull. Definitely, Webull has, and they have the right contracts there. Yeah, that definitely. I mean, there's a lot of companies what give you right. Like I have Smooth already said trade well, and I was trade. They have a paper trade back system. Everyone has his own. Every
Yeah. So if you guys have any advice, it would be on the passing evals. Don't lose whatever Matt's lost. Don't
well,
don't hold your drawdowns too long. Don't
well,
be in
yeah,
drawdown.
you wanna you can't hit the drawdown, right? So in trading general, you should set yourself a daily loss limit, not that you start tilt. You don't want to lose more than you can make in a day.
Yeah.
So and
They
tilt,
don't want you spam trading either, like kind of like too many positions open, right?
what they want, depending on which prop firm you go, like some shady ones, they actually want that you lose. So every time you lose, you buy a new rebuy or you buy a new reset, right?
He said they want you to
So
open as many positions you want.
Yeah, they're
so
for
better
profit.
companies, yeah, better companies want that you win, right? So
I'm crying.
they
I'm
will help.
crying, man.
That's true.
We want you to open up 50 minis right now, 50 micros. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, there's companies that definitely do that. Tell you they shady like this. They
Yeah.
want that, and better ones they want that you win. So because they make money when you make money. Like there's some prop firms they never put you into a live account, and you should ask yourself a question. One second, my door.
So a couple people here, double aces, are in the chat are saying that you should read a book, a really good book called Best Loser Wins, written by a gentleman named Tom Hugard. Really good book to get your mind
I heard
right
about
and
it.
yeah, in trading futures. He's a good futures trader. And also, Chewy is saying that you should trade the micro size contracts and also trade the practice account when you're just getting started.
The
The best
micros.
the best is you find yourself an a technique how you want to trade. Like there's so many different ways. Like there's
Yeah.
so much money what is in Wall Street. There's as many trading styles and ways to trade. Like every day popping up 10,000 more trading. You have to find the one what you. If you want to go how Tom Trader Tom is trading, or you want to trade like ICT, what is a big thing, or you want to trade like Tino from Trader Reality, or you want to trade like Smoothest Trading, or you want to trade like iTrade, or you want to trade like this
So many.
everyone has to find his own way, right? On the
Yeah.
long run, our Discord and our YouTube channel, what Smooth is doing, is there for bringing all of us together to overcome the fear, the
Yeah.
fear of missing out, the tilting, the downside of trading, right? You have days where you're just down and you just don't know how you get out of this hole. And this is why we are here. This is why Smooth is doing this here to bring us together to do that, to help questions about prop firms, to help questions about certain ways how to trade. Like if you find a good trading way, we actually have Smooth is doing actually a thing here on our Discord where you can join his live. You can be with him on the live, explain how you trade or what's your tricks and tips for trading. And this is this is why we like there's so many people trading and so many different ways to trade. No one can tell you this is the best way. Like maybe the
So
way I
you're
trade is good for me, but it's not good for someone else. So
yeah, exactly. So you're in Europe, right?
no, I'm in Canada.
In USA, USA.
I'm in Canada.
Oh, Canada. I'm sorry. Have you guys ever heard of David Paul out of I think he's London,
David Paul, yeah, Dr. David Paul.
a trader, right?
Yeah, he's a friend of Trader Tom actually.
He's with the turtle soup guy, right?
He was.
Um, I don't know.
The,
I
I
know
the
he
think
turtle
died a
club,
couple of years
he
ago.
the turtle
he
club, the
died.
turtle club.
The Turtle Traders, yeah.
Yeah, turtle traders. That's
Trade.
what it was.
Yeah, but he used to be a really good friend and mentor from Trader Tom,
Really?
and he died last year,
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think yeah, recently.
two
Well, the reason
last
I brought him up
2 years.
is because the psychology of I've sat here and watched video after video of just the psychology of how David Paul would kind of like,
Amazing
you know,
systems.
just talk about how your mind has to be set to, you know, trade or whatever. And that right there is was more key than finding a great setup or a great indicator.
Oh yeah, a lot of people will come and tell you, oh, you have to have the right trading system to trade and all that. And like Michael is saying in on the YouTube channel right now in chat, it is a lot of people will tell you, eh, the mental is not that big, it's the technical, but like he says, it's 80% mental and 20% technical. I even think it's 90% mental and 10%
A
technical
lot mental because
because a technique, I can show you two different techniques to trade or even five different techniques to trade in the next 5 minutes. Just this is how you set it up. This is when you take profit. This is when, but trading it and actually doing this, that's way harder than anything else. Like your mind is, it's the moment you put real money to it, that's way
oh
harder.
yeah,
There's
yeah,
so many times where you start a trade or you look, we all have that. Smooth just had it. He said in the live, this is the best place to go short right now. I actually went short that moment
And I
and he
didn't
did
take it.
not.
And I didn't take
And
it.
I made $500.
yeah. That's man. That's how it is sometimes. So like the best time is when, like you said, I know somebody do the same thing what Smooth just did. Like she was like she'll call the plays out, and the trades that she don't take, they end up going in the same direction that she called it out. But when she traded, it's a totally different. I don't know what it is. It's crazy.
Yeah, it happens. It's called
I almost
analysis
need
Yeah,
like a
paralysis.
gift bag.
Michael, it's true. It's 50-50. That's Dr. David Paul said that actually. It's if you want to just be safe, just take a coin and flip it and go long and short after that. He actually had a seminar where he proven it that he went short and long with just flipping a coin and he made money.
Wow. But like your audience in YouTube, your somebody was chatting, saying the best thing you can do, no matter which way chart is going or whatever, is your stop loss. Like that's the only thing you can control. You can't control the market making you money, but you control how much you lose.
Yeah, that's the psychology behind it, is that you have to protect your wallet. Like I have 5 rules here on the side of my desk, and the biggest rule is protect your wallet. That's trading, protecting your wallet. Right? Protect the money you have. Few $1,000s in the plus, and you still have the edge to trade. Set yourself, okay, I don't want to lose $500. So when I'm down to 500, I'm stopping trading. If you just start trading out day and you're already hitting minus 200, maybe it's not the day for you. Maybe just turn it off, right? Do something else. Don't overtrade. Like lots of people overtrade, tilting. This is all big things, right?
Yeah, I normally have a 3 stop out rule, and then I'm like, okay, I'm not getting it today. So um, and anybody can say, okay, 3 stop out. You know, that's easy to do. Honestly, you might miss out on so much money, but you just have to figure out what works, what rules work for you. You know, as well. So
So
I'm
we got a
surprised you guys not charging for the Discord. I was looking for like, okay, what these guys charge when I clicked on the link.
Mhm.
It was like I'm already in. I'm like, what?
no,
Are
no.
you
No, we
guys
don't charge.
charging?
We don't charge anything. Oh,
You just having like a good fellowship, teaching and
yeah,
like,
we teach each other, and Smooth is doing daily lives on YouTube and building a
and what time
community.
you guys trade futures? Like, do you start? What time? What times you start?
What the New York Open is at 9:30, so the most trading starts around 9.
I thought futures like trade all like 24 hours.
Oh yeah,
Well, not
we have
24 hours. They
all.
close overnight. They
Yeah,
close.
1 hour they close. Like it's you have the US market is the one what is the last, it's closed, and then Australia is the first what opens. That's like 1 hour.
So you guys like to trade early with the volume rather
Yeah,
than trading like
you have
overnight.
certain volume points with futures. You have the London session, you have the Asian session that's pretty low. The London
Yeah.
session can be a little active, and then you have the New York, like US time session, which is 9:30. I mean, when Wall Street opens, right, then the market starts.
But if you wanted to, you can trade at um is it like 6 o'clock in the AM? Like what time does actual futures open? I know the stock
Futures,
market open.
well, the US market opens with like the US futures opens at 9:30 New York
Oh,
time.
okay, opens with the market.
But the futures opening is with the Australia Open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Depends what time zone you set. I'm I'm West Coast.
Wow, you get up early to trade, huh?
So I'm getting up every day at like around 3:30. I have to do some
Oh, wow.
pre-work, some stuff for Smooth in the morning. Then sometimes we have some check-ins, and then
You got to
he's
come to the East Coast, man, where you can wake up on time, 8, 9:30, 7 o'clock.
oh no man, I love where I live. I live on an island. I live in the middle of the forest. The next neighbor is like 10 minutes away. I'm perfectly safe.
I think we got a new player, Hermana. I'm not sure who it is.
Oh
Do you
yeah.
see on the Discord who it is?
We have in
60-hour
Discord we
trader.
have 60-hour trader.
Jump on, brother.
He you just have to click on join table.
So Michael in the chat is saying, imagine if I told you going long on a green candle increases your probability of success 2%. Above the EMA, oh, hold on. Let me take this back. And then he said above the EMA, longs only 2%. And yeah, he's also saying, he wanted, let me see, just say. Yeah, so the market really only closes for an hour a day. And then on the weekends, double aces. It closes between, 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. They do some routine maintenance, I think, on the on the exchanges, and then they close on Friday afternoons and then open up at 6 p.m. on Sundays Eastern. So that's the only time. So it saves people from blowing their accounts over the weekends. But during the week, you can be as much of a degenerate as you want. What was that?
Yeah, see, I know that's right.
Yeah, but you don't want to trade outside of normal hours because the volume is really, really low and it's really bad, and the movements are kind of erratic. Some people make money with those markets because they're very slow, but they could have weird pops out of nowhere. You probably know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know. I trade. I paper traded overnight hours and stuff like that with what did I trade? It was actually, let's see, the forex or crypto, and I know those are different than actual stocks or whatever or
Yeah.
futures, but still, like if you catch, like I think the Asian market is like what 2 3 a.m. or whatever, but like there's a period in time where the volume is slow all over. Or crypto forex is like it's very choppy and slow on like even futures.
60 hours. You just have to click on join table. Oh, there you are.
There
Right,
he is.
perfect.
Oh, nice.
There we go.
More liquidity. Again.
Y'all finna stop hunting
We're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. The bot got me good, man. The bot got me for like $4,000 earlier.
He getting the best hands. He got 9 Gs right now.
Yeah.
He's a market maker.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about? I know you guys don't trade stocks though. I also want to say, what do you guys think about Tesla, man?
We trade. Urbana trades in and out of long positions on stocks, and so do I.
What do you think about Tesla? It did 100% retrace on this
Well,
light.
I made good money on Tesla. I played the game. I sold high and then I
Bought low.
rebought and now I put more in my pocket again, and I think we're coming down a little bit soon.
But they just did like that big massive drop after this whole crazy week.
Mm-hmm.
Um, it just did like 100% retrace.
Yep.
Funny thing is, Urbana sold the top and he didn't tell anybody.
You even said it.
I said it on
Oh,
stream. I said I'm gonna sell my Tesla today. Maybe I'll sell it today. And I never
so I
sold
looked at
it.
Tesla and was like, yeah, we should. It's ready for selling. So I sold it for what was 480?
480. You sold 480.
Yeah,
Wow.
480.
How you guess the top, man?
Because I saw
I
the
don't
writing on the
know.
wall. I saw the writing on the wall
Yeah,
on
there's something
the
going on.
market, and I said,
Smooth
"This is."
told me. Smooth
There's
told
no
me.
way you guess it. There's no way you guess the top on Tesla.
No, but the Tesla's gonna do what the rest of the market does, and the market was doing something really funky that I saw, and I pointed out to everybody. And I said I'm gonna take an option now, short in the market, which is the best way you guys think I should do it. And then I also said I think I'm gonna sell my Tesla stock too because I feel this market is gonna just dump. And yeah, it dumped like the very next day or the day after. It just went. It hasn't stopped since. but Armana actually did it.
I'm thinking, they took it down because you got an inauguration coming up. Like volatility.
Holy cow!
Wow, look at that $2,000 pot.
I started don't liking it.
That bot, man.
So yeah, the inauguration date is coming up, and maybe that's why they took it down, give them better discounts.
Well, I bought a half the bag filled at 380, and
It's
then
already up.
it's already. And then but I don't know. I looked at it. I kind of have the feeling we come in a little bit more.
You guys buying
But
crypto?
crypto, yeah.
I sold the top on XRP. That was good. It only took me 2 years.
Wow, yeah, I've been holding XRP since honestly, 2018.
Yeah,
I got
smart.
in early, but I was about to give up on it. It's like,
I wrote it off
oh,
for dead, man. I
No,
wrote it off, but thank God that pump, man. I caught the top on that pump.
I thought it was gonna make $3, and it didn't. Um, I thought that's for sure we at least see 3 before it dropped back down. It didn't.
Oh, it'll get to
I
3.
think
It'll get to
it will
3.
Yeah, it
go
will.
up.
It's on its way back up now.
Crypto is something you buy, put it on the shelf, and
Forget about it.
Look at it in 10 years ago. Like
60-hour trader, are you able to talk? I'm sorry, Armana, I cut you off. I just want to let him know he can talk if he wants. But go ahead, Armana.
Oh, how was your week?
It might have the microphone on.
Maybe.
Yes, he has the mic and he can't hear us well.
He can't hear us?
No, we can't. Definitely. The mic can hear us on.
Well, yeah, I'll definitely be checking in with you guys. So if I want to join you live, it'll be on this YouTube channel.
You're on in this Discord, so yeah, it will be on this YouTube channel. Oh yeah,
Popeye's here.
Popeye is here.
Popeye's
Yeah,
a good trader.
you're on this Discord, and every time there's new content, it will be posted in this Discord as well. And it's this YouTube channel from Smooth.
You said Popeye's a good trader?
Yeah, he just jumped on right now.
Popeye is the man.
How long you guys been trading futures? You say you just started, basically like a year or so? Oh, you say you trade prop firms only a short time, right?
I'm sorry, say that again, brother?
How long you guys been trading futures, and you just guys you traded the prop firms just recently, like you signed up and everything. But how long you been trading futures on its own?
Myself, 2 years. Armand, I think a lot longer than that. Popeye, I'm sure longer than that. 60-hour, I'm not sure his trading background. 60-hour, what's your trading background, buddy? And I'll let Popeye speak for himself if he unmutes himself when he comes on.
No, he hasn't. Oh yeah. I'm trading futures for the last 4 years roughly.
4 years? Okay. I was wondering how you knew all those details. I thought he said he was a new trader. I was like, he knew a lot about this.
Trading I do for the last 20 years, if you take.
20 years? Wow. You a 20-year trader.
Well, with some break and things.
In break in between. You was mostly like trading stocks?
No stocks. I invest in stocks. Like I sell when I think it's ready.
Yeah, buy low, sell high. Stocks are easy.
Not easy always, but yeah, it's a little easier than like day trading.
Yeah, definitely.
I was always a forex trade.
Now, forex is like got the they say that has the biggest liquidity,
Volume.
right?
Oh yeah. Where I started forex trading, you had possibilities from like crypto codes X average and all
I'm
that.
surprised you got out of
In
I mean, I know
forex, you
you
had
make,
5,000
you
to
make a lot of money with forex. I mean, with futures, but forex, man, that market, you make a lot of money.
you can in futures you can do it as well. It's and futures is a little bit easier because you have set prices. Like if you the commission and all that, it's included in your trade. It's set. It's always the same, right? And forex, you have to watch out what you yeah
Do
The
you think
price.
there's less
spread. Or just
manipulation?
well, you have a spread, you have this, you have commission spread, and it can all change. Like it's not
Yeah,
always the same, so you have to watch out. And then in forex, you have a lot time, um, a lot of slippage. Yeah, like Chewy 13 is saying. You have a lot of times where the market just pops over because some country decides to change some rules. So you really watch out. Not
watch out for the news on that.
Yeah, not only at the stock market like Nasdaq, you kind of just have to watch Nvidia right now because biggest stock in there. Um, and forex, depending which pair you trade, you always have to watch out how deep you go in, right? When you're trading, let's say you're trading the Canadian dollar in forex, you have to watch the oil price and you have to watch the American price all the time. If you're trading dollar yen, so the yen, then you have to watch out what the carry trade's doing, what the
Yeah, I know about the carry trade. That's something
yeah,
else there.
what the Australian dollar is doing, because what they do is they buy in yen, trade yen into Australian dollar, take the Australian dollar, buy their stocks, and then end of the day they're retracing everything and pay everything back. And this is stuff what you have to watch out for.
So, like the yen, because it's so like cheap to borrow, right? Is that and I might have this wrong, but it's like a lot of like investors or um,
Oh yeah, you
they
can
like
get the cheapest loans. Like the interest rates in Japan was so low that you can actually go there and get a loan. Like you take $1 million loan and you pay like $50 on that, right?
and so
So
when the yen actually goes up, that's when a lot of things get a little volatile, right?
when the interest rate goes up, because everyone goes back and has to pay their loans, right? You don't want the interest rate up.
The
So if the
BOJ.
yen go up, it has to do with it.
That has nothing to do when the yen price goes up. That's actually
Okay.
bad. But when the interest rates, you have to watch interest rates and all those things. Like it's good when you do futures or even options. When you follow that, you actually want to follow the yen or certain things as well.
Yeah, I'll be watching the yen. I got the yen, US dollar yen on my watch list, even on stocks, and I notice how a lot of times, I know a lot of times when the yen is up, our American stocks will be down when because
Yeah,
the yen.
when the yen, there you see the small carry trade, or the small how it carries all on, right? Like
Yeah.
is when you see the dollar going down, the euro is not moving, and the yen goes up, but you see that the stocks go down, then you know that they're selling their stocks into yen. Yen goes then up, right? So you know that they're paying off certain things.
Oh man, you got a wealth of information, man. I'm surprised. Hey, you guys, I'm gonna be checking in with you guys, and y'all need to just open up that cash app or something. 'Cause when you guys provide all of us this money opportunities, yeah, it's gonna be something.
What
I
trading?
mean, I
Like
know right now I'm just
most
teaching and everything.
most information about trading is all for free. You just have to sit down and really read out what it makes sense. What makes sense.
Anybody getting in their hands, man? Like, what?
No, this here is right now like Nasdaq going side.
I keep getting like fours and threes. And
And bots getting all the good
how's this?
hands.
What kind of deck is this, man? They only have like, okay, now okay.
So a 60-hour trader's been trading for a year and a half,
Okay.
and
And
Chewy
Popeye, he
said
teamed
to
up.
go ahead.
Does Popeye team up with you guys? Like he's in here with you guys, like on live and all of that.
He's active. He's active in the Discord. He shares a lot of his trades, setups, and what he did for the day. So
Okay.
he's pretty active. So you know you can learn from a guy like that or DM him. I'm sure he'll share anything questions you have. I don't use Ninja Trader 60-hour trader, but I'm sure there's some people here in the chat that do.
I
Orlando, what do
tried
you
it.
use?
I used Trader 8.
Yeah.
I tried Ninja Trader, but it's too confusing.
There's a lot of secrets and proprietary type things. People. I know there's a lot of retail traders. They coming together because like they sick of like Wall Street just screwing them over. And it's like that's why you got these discords and like people are really just like coming together. Retail, it's crazy.
Yeah, like the
And
Wall Street bets.
I don't think the Wall Street likes that. I mean, there's a
No,
lot of people more money
I've
than ever in like
I
trading.
met real Wall Street traders and discords, and it's I think those discords like we trying to do with Smoothest really nice YouTube channel. Well, there's so much fishy and so much stupid shit
Yeah,
YouTube
it is
internet that more and more people looking for places like ours, like Smoothest,
real genuine. Yeah,
to actually find truth behind that, right? Like I was once on a Discord where I was just, what the hell is this going on here? They
they're
always,
losing money.
and then
Oh no, you
came,
know it.
they said, oh, it's all for free. And after 1 week I was on there, people started like, oh yeah, would you like be interested in coming into the prime area of this Discord? And like, okay, how much is it? Well, it's 150 bucks. What you offer for 150 bucks? What you offer? Then came no real answers, and came this, oh yeah, if you join I can give you $50 discount. Join. Totally fishy. Good Discord. I mean, there for sure you wanna, on, as the time what Smooth puts in and all that, for sure he wants to make money on one point, certain page. You can understand that some people want to get. There's some really bad spots with this thing.
I mean, for sure. When guys are doing it the correct way, that's what it's all about. You can't sit out here and like be trying to rip off who's actually trying to trade because you're getting ripped off by Wall Street, basically, like with all the manipulation. So why are you trying to like just pry money out of people? And
Yeah, so
now if you're gonna charge for a Discord, go ahead and charge for it, but don't say, hey, slide over here into this $50 or whatever. I don't care about paying for a Discord. Like, try to trick me. So
well, you should get something out of it, right? Like
yeah,
you're not buying an ice cream just to sit there and look at it. You want to freaking taste it too.
You're gonna see a lot
I
of
mean,
traders you find
in,
right
in
on. Go ahead, Hermana. Sorry.
in Germany, you would say you're not buying the hooker to just look at her.
Oh
This
my
guy's
god,
funny.
that's pretty funny.
Armando, he's a funny guy, man. And you know, like, I noticed having like a sense of humor while trading has been the best for me. Like, yeah, because I'm in like a little text group and we just be, just kind of like roasting
Mhm.
each other or whatever, and just fun, keeping it fun and light, and having good energy while you're trading and not be like some people like to be. And we focus on our trades. Don't get me wrong, but it's like in between trades when I'm just looking at something. Now, when I actually in a trade, I'm like, okay, I tap away, like I'm like laser focus on this thing.
Holy crap! Kids have to go to bed.
How you guys like to keep your mind right when you're trading? You just been through it so long it don't matter anymore, or
Biggest help for me has been being on stream because I have everybody as an accountability partner because they're watching how I'm reacting. So if I'm gonna go tilt on YouTube Live, that's pretty embarrassing, and then it encourages bad behavior. So the biggest help for me has been just being accountable to everyone here. That's why we're starting our small accountability groups with the Discord crowd that we have, where we could team people up into like groups of threes. So I know you guys aren't YouTubers, but if you're accountable to each other and you have that small little group, I think it'll just help everyone just do a little bit better, not go until have someone to talk to when they have those losses or those wins. Because there's nothing more dangerous than a win if you did the wrong thing. So like let's just say like
yeah,
you're down 500 on a day and you know you should stop, but then you double your size and you win and you end up green on the day, you end up being 500 up, and you tell your accountability group like I just did this and this and this and this. Your accountability group might be like, it's nice that you won your money back, but don't do that. Don't ever do that again because you violated your own rules. Because your rules might have been like I got to stop after $300 and a loss. Well, I kept going. I could have ended up really ugly, but I got lucky and I got a win. Even though it feels good, you just cemented a bad behavior. So that's
yeah.
what we're trying to do with each other. Armando, you still there,
You
brother?
perfectly
Go ahead, say
perfectly
that again.
right, man. It was one trader. He was on the pit floor. Got a little video YouTube channel now. He was talking about how he loves to be in war rooms. Like they call them the war rooms,
Yeah,
trading
I
rooms.
like that.
Exactly what you're saying. Like he don't want to be trading alone at his house and like because he kind of got away from Wall Street because he used to be on the pits,
Hmm.
in the pits. So now he's like he created his own little war room company. Like they go in like they going to work. I think definitely people need that.
Oh, community, bro, it's big. I've tried trading alone, and I've not only have I made a lot of mistakes trading alone, but for I quit for like the better part of a year. So I came back to it just because I tried something different. I was trying to get my mind off of trading, even though I was paper trading every day. I tried to get my mind off of it and I couldn't. It's just coming back, and I know that I wanted to do this. So I think if I was streaming back then, I would have never left for that better part of a year because you need those
Yeah.
people to kind of just keep you keep you your mind right. Keep a positive mindset even if you might take a loss for a day or a month. Some people go on some of the biggest traders you'll see. They'll tell you like, "Hey, I have a losing streak." Sometimes they last for a month or two. Sometimes you can get pretty banged up. So yeah, I mean you need that, man. It's community is big. So you're doing the right thing, texting your buddies while you're trading. That's huge. And now you got us. You can jump in the Discord or jump on the YouTube lives during the
Yeah.
week. Yeah, you need community when you're a trader for sure. Because we don't have those real, you back in the day you had real prop firms where you actually had an office that you could go to and you could sit with other traders and trade. Now everything's online, so it's up to you to make
Yeah.
that that environment.
And I told my group, I said, hey, I envision one day we all trade live because we all got jobs and stuff like. And I'm more of like I freed myself up. I made a choice decision to like I gotta be free during the trading hours, so I kind of set my schedule like that. So the rest of them they're like working. I was like, one day we're gonna be trading live because that's what we got 3 diamonds on the board.
Michael in the chat wants to know if you've got a strategy. What's your strategy when you trade? I know you trade options, but you have a strategy that you like to follow?
I got a couple, um, things I look at. Um, Basically, if I was to like frame it in like words, because I know my strategy when I'm looking at it. I stop out on time every time, whether it's like support resistance or fractal. So I have like 3 level um, stop out, and I created this myself pretty much. It's like it all depends on how much you're willing to lose, of course. So like the first level would be price. Like if you feel like you don't want to lose this much, okay, that's the first level. It's like you set the amount, and that's where you stop out at.
Mm-hmm.
Second level, support and resistance, and if it breaks this EMA was EMA or whatever you're using,
Yeah.
whatever that support is, right? That in the frame of that trade, I use that. Or the third level is I like the fractals because the fractal can be way down there.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know if we got the same going over the fractals. I was trying to explain to you guys, but and you can go look up fractals, Michael. So like I got like 3 level, and when I'm in the trade, I tell myself I'm gonna be at a level. Let's say I want to stop out at a EMA or something like that. So I would call that a level 2. But
Yeah.
if I'm like, if I took a position on, let's say Tesla, which is sky high options right now,
Yeah.
I'm stopping out on price. The level 1 stop out because when Tesla hits, um, when it starts, that thing it floods. So um, if you're down 150, 50, whatever your price is, that would be my level 1 confirmation for stop out. So um, support and resistance. Like I don't have like a statement trading plan, but I know my trading plan. If that makes any sense.
You
Like I know what I like for crossers. I like for MA crossers.
So you look at the chart and you get a sentiment of the price action,
Yeah.
and you enter when you feel is important area.
Yeah, important areas. I love. I've been noticing though, and I'm sure you guys know too. Those pattern setups,
Mm-hmm.
man. Sometimes they're like 90% high probability. Like if you see a pattern,
Yeah.
head and shoulders, inverse. Um, Now the bull flag is it's kind of so, but like certain patterns, like those patterns play out, man. It's crazy. So like I'm a pattern trader. I love MA crossers. 216. Wow.
Michael said that remember on the other side of that screen, LeBron James is trading, and the LeBron James of trading is waiting for you. Yeah, there's always big boys out there we got to be careful with, no matter what strategy we use or what entry we look at. They always make it look like it's bullish when it's bearish, and make it look like it's bearish when it's
Yeah,
bullish. So you got to be careful.
yeah. Have you guys heard of the Wyckoff strategy?
Yeah, that's one of the
The
indicators
Wi-
that I use.
I love the wick off. I've seen it so many times too. It's like wow. When I came into that, like, that's perfect. Like
Which kind of strategy are
that.
you referring to?
He has the distribution and accumulation,
Yeah,
the markup down.
and springs, up thrust.
That's basically everything the chart does. Like he has more to it, but like if you look at the any stocks, it's an auction. You know, it's markup, markdown,
Mm-hmm.
accumulation, and distribution. No matter where you are on the chart, it's
The
doing.
hell you have.
You
I
got me,
wanna,
brother. You got
wanna,
me. Oh man.
you out? Wow.
Yeah, I went all in on that one because I had a pair of queens.
You just blew your account.
Yeah, that's all right.
Like,
I gotta go
He
to bed
has to
anyway.
buy back in.
That's hilarious. That was funny. Gotta make
I
sure
have to
whatever
go to
strategy
this
you're
for a
using.
sec.
So Michael says, I gotta make sure whatever strategy you're using, live back test it. You know exactly what the game plan is. So you know exactly what the game plan is. Yeah,
yes,
that was
sir.
pretty
I
funny.
agree. Michael sounded like he know a good bit, man.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of great traders in our chat. You know, one thing I pride ourselves on here is that we're not building a community of gamblers, a community of anybody who's looking to get rich quick. A lot of the people that are in the chat and the Discord are seasoned traders who are using real strategy and real discipline. And it might be a slower community to grow. I mean, I could go ape shit on screen and start, blowing accounts left and right and going in on every little move, and I'm sure that would attract a lot more people because it's more exciting and there's more people who want to make money quick. But
Yeah.
that's not the community that I wouldn't feel right. It's not me. You got to do what you because you got to do what you feel is right. So we're building it slow, but we're building it right.
Have any of you guys heard of Viper Finance?
Viper Finance? No, I don't think so.
So I've thought, being in the trading community, somebody might have came into him. He's more like he's exactly what you're referring to. He goes in pretty hard. He got his own Discord now. And I had a few of my guys like want to go get plays for him. I'm like, you're just trying to like get a call, man. Like, focus on these technicals. Like, let's yes, it's a little slow money sometimes. Like, to be honest with you, I'm more of a scalper. Like, I tried swinging, especially now I can swing stocks or whatever. I can swing I can probably swing forward, to be honest with you, or crypto. But options, I don't know, it's a lot of different like when especially with time decay or whatever.
Yeah.
Um
So what are you doing?
I just
0 day
have the whole
expiries?
0 day. I do a lot of those on ETFs like
Mm-hmm.
SPY, QQQ. And I only do 0 DTE early part of the day. Once it hit like 12, I'm going out around. I'm going next day or something.
Gotcha. Yeah. The strategy that people use, like we all trade a little differently, but the strategy that most people use that I've run into that do really well, they take very responsible trades. Like they'll take trade a few trades a day. They're not taking 100 trades a day. Yeah, I've been down that road where I used to trade every little pop I saw. I thought was the move.
So you
And
was a robot trader?
no, this is the way I've progressed is like this. I started very conservatively. I feel like I'm a conservative, more of a conservative trader. I started very conservatively when I started trading, but then after I started getting a couple wins under my belt, I felt very confident, and I started taking more trades and more trades. Before you know it, you're taking 40, 50 trades a day, right? And you went from being a conservative trader to being a 1 minute scalper, or maybe even on a 30 second, right? You get pretty, it's a slippery slope, and you get there without even realizing it. So sometimes you just got to take a step back. What really helped me a lot was using a journal and recognizing what I was doing wrong and what mistakes I kept making over and over and over again. So by doing that, I recognized a bunch of things with my trading that didn't make sense. Maybe one day I'll make a video on it, but for me, it was basically the over trading. It was being too early to the move. It was not trusting my indicators. It was going against the trend, going against my indicators. It was just a lot of dumb stuff I was doing. So then I limited myself to a few trades a day on higher time frames, and things ended up getting a lot better, a lot clearer. And I just also took my ego, or tried to take my ego out of the equation, where if I'm wrong on a trade, just let it be. Don't try to keep fighting that against the trend. So a lot of things that you have to learn that have a lot to do with your own personal shortcoming, instead of using the wrong time frame or using the wrong indicator. It has really a lot to do with what your weaknesses are and how to spot those before they take you out.
Man, you guys are legit here, man. I don't even know how I found your channel. It's crazy.
Maybe
Just
because you like
scrolling
poker,
on.
and I just happened to put poker on here. Maybe that was why.
It was on my feed. It was on my feed, and I was like, "What's this?" So I clicked on it. I usually don't click on any old video, but for some reason I just clicked. 2025, man. Meant to be. I'm here. So
Yeah. Check this out. Michael says he took 10 payouts from Apex. Now, to get one payout is hard enough. Michael said he took 10 payouts from Apex in a few months. That's pretty good, man. That's really good. And he thought he was on top of the world. He thought he was the king of the world. And next got humbled real quick. Big wins, big ego is often followed by massive losses. Yeah, and Ghostbuster said it was randomly on my feed too. Yeah, we're getting a lot of new people tonight. I think it's like an off time for us. We're usually not on here at this time. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why you guys are seeing it in your feeds. Yeah, I got taken out, man. I should have used a stop loss on my poker hand.
ask Michael. Well, he can hear it, right?
Yeah, he can hear us.
Does he? Does he still use? Does he use Apex now?
A lot of guys still use Apex, but Apex is double-edged sword. It's a double-edged sword because Apex allows you a lot of leverage by having a lot of accounts. They'll let you use up to 20 accounts at once. So by using 20 accounts as a trader, you can copy trade those accounts all at once. So instead of having 150K account, you can be trading $1 million account.
Wow.
So it's
Yeah, I heard
crazy.
about that.
Yeah, so you can literally make $500. That's it. That's pretty easy to make $500 on a trade. Really easy. But if you're trading it across 20 accounts, you just made 10K. And there's been several days where I've done that, where I've traded 20 accounts and I've made 10K, 14K. Like it could be really, really big numbers with small base hits. So that's what they're known for, that you're able to do that. But the downside is they have a lot of requirements, a lot of rules, and a lot of like loopholes that you got to jump through to get paid. And if you violate one of those rules, you miss your payout. They won't pay you. They'll make you trade another 8 or 10 days, and then you can try again. And so it's a great prop firm because they're big. They've been around for a while. They pay massive payouts, but they have a lot of rules, and a lot of traders have been denied for payouts because of it. So it's you got to learn their game. And if you could learn their game and you could be good at it, you can make a lot of money with them. They just paid a trader out $600,000 a couple of weeks ago. They paid another guy $1.8 million last year. It's pretty crazy.
So that was like their success story. That was like their high.
I'm sorry. Say it again.
Was that like their high success stories? Like they kind of advertised that they paid those guys, or you know those guys?
Well, they don't advertise anything really. They just they do the bare minimum. It's the guys who go on social media and show off their
Oh, okay.
payouts. That's where you start to hear all the craziness. Yeah, but I mean, listen, it's easy. It's not hard. Trading is not hard. It's a very easy thing, but it's very hard because the mental part of it is the difficult part. Hitting buttons is the easiest thing in the world. I've worked in construction, I've worked in real estate, I've worked as a barber, I've worked a lot of things that are way harder way harder than trading. But trading is one of the most difficult things you'll ever do. You know that. You're a trader. You're in options. You know where I'm coming from.
It's one of the hardest things you can do. But if you just follow your system, patience, and stop out and get it right. That's my main motto. If I got it right, it's right. If I stop out,
Popeye on the last.
So Michael says he doesn't use Apex anymore. He applied for a payout on November 21st, and he only got it 2 days ago. Wow, I've been hearing Apex has been paying really quickly though. That's crazy, Michael, that you got strung around like that. That's crazy. Let's see. Then it says, yeah, we do use X. We have our X link is on my channel. If you look on about us or on our social links, we're on X. You can look us up under. You could look us up in X under Smooth Trader also. Michael's using
appreciate you guys.
Bullnox. Yeah, Bullnox. I like Bullnox too. Yeah, I like them.
You probably should. You guys should have like a poll of like on your channel
Mm-hmm.
about prop firms and which one. I don't know how many people you got on your Discord. You just started, right?
Yeah, we got a decent amount. But we did a poll recently because we did a giveaway at the end of the year, and we polled everyone to see what prop firm they would want, and it was pretty close. It was Top Step was everyone's number one. Well, not everyone's, but Top Step was the one that had the most votes, and Take Profit Trader was number 2, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Traderfy was third. So there's, like I said, there's like a good 5 or 6 that are really good prop firms. You can find those in our Discord under the referrals link, and you can check those out. Those are good companies, solid companies.
You guys already did the poll. Wow.
Yeah, I mean, there's not much that we don't ask the crew. We ask them everything, just because we want to see where everybody's at. We want to measure what our guys are doing. What's working for them, what's not working for them. We've had stories in here where prop firms have closed down on traders and not paid anybody, declared bankruptcy. That's happened 3 times already in the last few months. Never ever have there been futures prop firms that have closed. Well, there have been small ones that have closed, like Surge Trader I think was one that closed a while back, but there was 3 that closed in the last 3 months, dude, and that's unheard of. In a forex world, they've been rugging for years, but in the futures world, it was kind of unheard of to see futures prop firms going under. Ghostbusters, some of us trade prop firms and some of us trade live money. I've done both. I still trade my live account, but very, very rarely. Armana trades his live account, and he pumps that thing up as often as he can. He does really well there. So if you have questions about live trading or prop firm trading, you're in the right place, brother. Armana, you got your money back. You took your money back from the bot.
Oh yeah.
Nice, brother. I like that. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a night, Armana. You guys can keep obviously playing on here on Discord. It's midnight here in the East Coast, so I'm gonna let you
Nice
guys
to meet
go.
you.
Yeah, no, nice to meet you too. Stay on here, man. You can have a conversation with Armana and the guys here. But yeah, if you guys are liking the channel, liking the vibe, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification. We go live every day trading Monday through Friday from 9 to about 1, and then we're back for Power Hour. So thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the likes on your way out. Thanks, guys. Take care. See you guys Monday.
See you later.